I'll vlog, babe. I'll vlog. Do you want me to vlog you? No. Good afternoon! Di sana ako magpa-vlog today kasi wala naman akong ginawa. Naglinis lang ako ng bahay. But Dan wanted to go to his mom's kasi we will go swimming. Sobrang init. What's the temperature outside, babe? 42? How hot is it today?
Yeah,
41? Wow, sobrang init. Grabe. Hala, why is my battery dying? Did you use my camera? Sobrang init. So, pupunta kami sa sa bahay ng mama niya. Magpo-pool kami. And I already prepared the stuff. Kasi yung mama niya daw, wala daw sila ngayon. Naka-atras talaga ako. Wala sila ngayon sa bahay nila. Sabi niya, mamayang gabi pa daw sila uuwi. So, sabi niya, kung gusto niyo pumunta mag-swimming kayo. Ito sana yung dinner namin eh. Sabi ni Dan, doon na lang namin lutuin. Doon ko na lang lulutuin. So, prepare ko na siya. I have onion right here. Lettuce. Yung chicken na nakat ko na. We will have wraps again tonight because he likes wraps. And then cucumber, tomato. And then yung wraps. Don't forget the wraps. And yun na. Nakapantulog na ako kasi pagkatapos ko maligo, nakapantulog ako kasi hindi ko nga in-expect na mag-vlog ako. So I will just go get my swimsuit. I'm pretty sure from Zafo na naman yung isusuot ko. Or actually, we'll see. You guys, meron na akong growing collection of swimsuit dito na hindi kasya sa akin. Halos lahat hindi kasya sa akin. I will show you ha. Like, isang drawer talaga. Puro swimsuit lang. My gosh, ang init. Grabe. Naka-on yung AC sa dining, pero dito hindi. Kasi hindi naman ako pumupunta dito. Like, nandun lang ako. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Like, puno talaga siya ng puro swimsuit lang. Colors. Hindi ko alam kung ano susuotin ko today. Or maybe this one. Na-feature ko na to sa haul ko, pero hindi ko alam kung kailan pa yun ma-upload yung haul na yun. Pero yeah, this one looks really good. Pero hindi siya like perfect. Ay, ito pala. Kasya pala sa akin to. Yung top niya, hindi masyadong kasya, pero ito. I will wear this and then, I don't know, maybe this top. Does that match? Yeah, a little bit. Okay lang siguro yan. Wala namang makakakita sa akin dun. Si Dan lang naman. Okay. Oh, maybe that. We'll see. Hello! I'm cooking here because this guy, he said, no, I can't be bothered. We will not go. So we're not going. I will cook the dinner here. Some people will be like, you're cooking wraps again? Babe?
That's nothing.
I know, that's nothing. That's normal. It just so happened that it's chicken wraps when I vlog. I cooked talong today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it?
For lunch. I just sauteed the talong. Ito yung ganap, guys. Yung kay Dan, chicken breast. Yung akin, chicken thighs. So, yung ginagawa ko para laman ko talaga na kay Dan yun, nilalakihan ko ng slice yung kay Dan. Tapos yung akin, maliliit lang. Arty-arty kasi ni Dan. Ayaw niya talaga ng ano. Ako din, arty din. Ayaw ko din ng breast. Siya, ayaw niya talaga ng ano. Hindi naman sa ayaw niya talaga. Pero, mas prefer niya yung chicken breast kaysa sa chicken thighs. Do you guys like chicken thighs? Or chicken breast. Kasi ako thigh talaga ako. I'm a thigh girl. Dark meat yung gusto ko. Kasi Dan, white meat, of course. He's white. Chicken is looking good. Vegetables are ready. And then ito, guacamole. Buti na lang, okay lang kay Dan. Makainin siya. Kasi kung hindi, masasayang talaga siya. Kasi ayaw ko sa kanya. And then sour cream. Ay! Na-receive ko pala yung rewards card ko from Woolies. Na-receive namin siya kahapon. And Dan's having a beer. This is what it looks like. Yung akin merong maliliit na chicken. Yum. Tapos i-wrap ko lang siya. And yeah, dalawang ganito yung kakainin ko. You're done, babe?
You put some more food on yours? You not much at all.
No, that's a lot already for me. We are watching this McDonald's founder. Founder of McDonald's. We're watching this founder or McDonald's. The title of this of this movie. No tickling, babe. You wanna eat it?
Oh, eat it.
Hello. Good afternoon. Is it still good?
Alright.
He's eating the wraps that I made. Hello.
No.
I made that last night and I was like, I will eat it later on. And then he's like, nope, you will not eat it. I was like, I'll put it in the fridge. I'll eat it tomorrow. I was like, nope, you're right, babe. Do you want to put some guacamole? I don't have guacamole in there. Okay. Pupunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya later. Layo ng layo. Wala naman sa frame. Over. Pupunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. I don't want to swim, babe. I think it's way too hot. Will you swim? You swim. I don't want to like swim as well and then, you know, take a shower there. Or if I don't take a shower, I'll be wet all night long. Oh, I have no watch! It's from Jord. Jord pala yung pag-pronounce, guys, hindi Jord. Yung last time I said it's pronounced as Jord, it's Jord. Yeah, it's the wood watch. I received it today. Looks so pretty. The link. The link will be below. Now I will be doing another video like explaining this because I will have a giveaway, guys. Like, yeah, international as well. Dan has something similar. You love it, babe, right?
What?
He likes the watch. You don't really wear it at work, but you wear it during the weekends. Like kapag casual yung sinusuot niya. He wears that watch and he loves it. This one I like as well. Meron siyang mga jewels sa, sa oras niya. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Para akong naiyak kasi I put, yeah, turn it off. Turn off the AC. Para akong naiyak, naglagay ako ng drops. Nilabas ko yan para hindi na ako makalimutan mamaya. Kailangan mag-laundry para sa kanyang, work clothes. Uy, look good, babe. He will be swimming today. I have on my lips the KJM lip tint bittersweet magenta. Oh, it's hot. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's really hot. I think it's 38, 39 today. Kumakain ako nung yung milk kita, yung na-feature ko sa munch pack na parang Choco Joy. Si Dan, grabe. Diba nilagay ko sa lolly jar yung mga chocolates, yung mga lolly, yung mga candy, yung mga gummies. Sabi ni Dan, tago mo. Nilagay ko sa filming room ko somewhere. Tinago ko yung sa gilid, guys. Hinanap kanina. Kumain. Kaloka tong taong to. Babe.
Yeah.
The lolly jar.
Yeah. That wasn't hiding.
It was hidden, babe.
It wasn't hidden.
It was hidden. It was hidden. Why would you go there and look for it anyway? But right now it's hidden, babe. I'm pretty sure you cannot see it anymore.
Good.
I hid it good. You look good, babe. Hello, say hello, babe. Don't be rude. You borrowed my camera today.
Hello.
Punta muna kami Kmart. May bibilhin sa Dan.
In the car this time.
Done with Kmart. Do you want to tell them what you got?
I got some tablets.
How will they find it funny when you're beeped? But whatever, I'll beep. Going to Mommy! Gusto ko kumain ng bread, guys. Sourdough bread na may para, na may, what's the vinegar, babe? Balsamic vinegar. Yum! Bella! Bella! Hello! Bella, 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 Bella. We are off! Napaswimming ako, guys. Pinahiram ako ng lang. Kasi hindi ako nagdala ng swimsuit. Kasi sabi ni Dan, sinabi ko sa kanya, hindi ako magsiswimming. Sabi niya, okay. Hindi niya naman ako pinilit. Tapos pagdating na dun, ang sarap mag-swimming. So, napaswimming ako. Basa yung aking bra, tsaka aking pante. And pinahiram lang ako ng cover up ng niya, kapatid niya. Can I tell them?
Keep going.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
We got my wedding ring. We received it today. Actually, pinadala niya to sa office ng kuya niya. So, doon nag-send and ngayon lang namin nakuha. Dito na aking wedding ring. Yung kay Dan, you ordered it already, babe. Did you?
Which one?
Yours. Your wedding ring.
No, not yet.
Oh, not yet? When are you planning to do that?
Next week.
Pauwi na kami. Tapos bukas pupunta ata kami ulit sa bahay ng mama niya. We will go swimming again with the kids tomorrow, I think. I'm wet, babe, inside. I am. Tapos nag-swimming pa kami before dinner. So, basa ako. Basa yung bra ko, basa yung panty ko. Kumain kami ng dinner. Tapos nanood pa ako ng movie kasi after dinner, nanood ng movie yung mga bata. And umupo ako dun. Napanood ako Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse, babe. That's what we watched.
that?
Yeah, it was actually not bad. I'm not really into watching those. Like, nung bata pa ako, hindi ako nanonood ng ganyan, guys. Kasi, nung bata ako, lagi kami lumalabas, naglalaro sa labas, ganun talaga. Hindi gaya ngayon na yung mga bata computer ng computer. Like, mayroon na silang sariling tablet, nanonood sila ng TV. I wasn't doing that, so I'm not really familiar with cartoons, cartoon characters. Obviously, Mickey Mouse, like, you know, who doesn't know him? You know, yung iba na may mga kanta ng bata sila, I'm not familiar kasi nga, I was out and about when I was a kid. Take off your clothes, my love. I will do laundry. Laundry time! See? Si Dan din basa. Basa, babe. You know what basa is?
Cold.
What?
Cold.
No. That's different. Basa. Gutom. No. Busog. Busog is full. Do you remember busog?
Yeah,
No, you don't. No, that's not what I said. What the heck? Are you deaf? Okay, let's do laundry, people. I'm so tired. Dan is tired as well. Okay, guys, maglo-laundry lang ako. Tapos, okay na. Wala na kaming gagawin. Mag-chill na kami kasi ready na lahat ng videos ko for tonight, for tomorrow, and for Sunday. Yan talaga ginagawa ko as much as possible. Nire-ready ko yung videos for the weekend, before the weekend, para, you know, para ma-spend ko yung time ko with Donny Boy sa weekend. Babe! Tatanong ko kung tatakbo siya. Ay, nagsha-shower na. I need to take a shower as well. Let me just load this and then I'll take a shower. Malapit na matapos yung laundry. Naririnig ko na gumagano. Ting! Kapag gumagano niya, malapit na matapos yan. Anong date na ba ngayon? It's already halat 10 na pala. Yung ano ko pala, guys, yung visa ko na-approve na. Tinawagan ako ng embassy or consulate nung Wednesday, I think. They told me that my visa is approved. Kailangan mo siyang i-pick up sa Melbourne. But merong pinsan si Dan doon na magpipick up ng ano ko. Ginawan ko naman siya ng authorization letter. Bibigay ko sa kanya. Tapos, I mean, isa-scan. Tapos, ipiprint niya. And then, ibibigay niya sa embassy. And then, yun na. Tapos na. Kasi akala talaga namin pupunta kami. Nung nakita ko yung binasa ko yung ano, yung nasa website na sabi, kailangan i-pick up in person yung passport. Kaya akala talaga namin makakapunta kami. Nagplano na kami, guys. Nagpunta kami ng Melbourne. Tapos wala naman siya sa plano talaga namin na trip this year, you know. Pero naisip niya, may pinsan pala siya doon. And tinanong niya, okay naman. So, yung pinsan lang niya yung magpipick up. Kasi ang layo kaya ng Melbourne. We can drive there. It's gonna be an 8-hour drive. And back and forth, 16 hours. We can fly. But like, you know, drive is fun. We will do it, but not yet. Not this month. And then Valentine's Day is coming. Babe, he's not listening to me. Valentine's Day is coming.
I know.
Meron daw siyang plano. You have a plan? Sabi niya sa akin, huwag kang gumawa ha, kasi meron na daw siyang plano. I do not know. What is it? What is it, babe?
Nothing exciting.
Nothing exciting daw. Are you taking me somewhere? Kangaroo Island? No, sabi niya magdi-dinner lang daw kami.
That would be exciting.
That would be exciting, right? Take me to Kangaroo Island and just leave me there.
Yeah.
Bye, Riz! And it's going to be my very first Valentine's Day ever. Na magkasama kami. And like ever talaga na meron akong kasama. So, that's good, that's good. I think last year, nag-greet sa akin yung kapatid ko. Sabi niya, Happy Valentine's Day, te. And I was like, okay. Kasi wala sa danan eh. Pero alam na nila na, like, you know, kami. Nag-greet yung kapatid ko yun. Oh, by the way, God, yung kapatid ko, si Miss, nasa ano na siya, New Zealand. Mag-ingat ka dyan, babae. And yeah, ano na siya, nakapunta na siya ng Queensland, tapos she went to Dunedin ata yung pag-pronounce nun. And then next week, lilipat na naman siya ng ibang lugar na naman para sa ano nila, para sa duty nila. And yeah, that's the ganap. Anyway, I will close this vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Yeah, ano ko na, hihahan ko na yung laundry kasi tapos na. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good, please like, please subscribe. Good night, babe.
Yeah.
Say good night, people.
Good night.